GPS online classes, and I'm your Shreya teacher from PP1. Yes, you all are studying in PP1, right? So kids, we have learned capital A and small a in our course book and practice book. Have you completed your homework? I hope you are completing your homework every day, right? Please complete your homework, okay? So today also we will write capital A and small a in practice notebook, and we'll do one activity related to letter A, right? But before starting our class, shall we sing one rhyme? It's a very new rhyme. Yeah, I think some of the kids know this rhyme, but most of the kids, they don't know this rhyme. So today I'll teach you one new rhyme. Which rhyme you know? Okay, try to listen, be very carefully, and if possible try to sing with me. Okay, come on, let's start. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I am fine, I am great. I am fine, I am great. I am very well today. Again. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I am fine, I am great. I am fine, I am great. I am very well today. Okay, so this is hello rhymes, because we all are saying now hello, hello, how are you? Huh? So same, this rhyme is related to hello. Okay, so try to sing at your home. Okay, now let's start our class. Which class? Capital A and small a. Okay, first I am writing on the board and I'll show you how to write. That day I told you, write, don't write here and there. Now it's time to write within the line. Now I am showing you how to write within line. See, this is one red line and down one red line. Okay, now middle I'll draw two black lines. See? Okay, now what you have to do? See, you have to check the line. Up one red line, down one red line, and middle black line. Okay, now it's time to write within the line. How to write capital A? You have to put your pencil on up red line, then drag it to down black line. Don't drag it to red line, because if you drag this one now, it will be wrong. So don't write up to down red line. You have to draw only up to down black line only. Don't touch down red line. So up red line to down black line. Again up red. From same place you have to draw one more slanting line, which is left slanting line. Now left slanting line. So up red line to down red line, one right slanting line, and again from the same place up red line to down black line, one left slanting line, and middle one sleeping line. Then it became letter A. It became letter A. Okay, again I am showing you from up red line to down black line, one right slanting line. Again from same place from up red line to down black line, one left slanting line, and middle one sleeping line. So it's a letter A. So up red line to down black line, one right slanting line, and from again same place from up red line to down black line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line, then middle one sleeping line. Now it became capital A. Now how to write small a? See, these two lines are there, red line, so we cannot touch these two lines, red line, two red lines we cannot touch. We have to write small a only between these two black lines. In middle you have to write one circle and one curve. Okay, so this is a small a circle and one curve, small a. If you will write like this na, so it will be wrong. So it's a wrong a. You cannot write like this. Okay, it's a wrong a. So teacher will immediately she'll give you cross. So don't write like this. Okay, so this is a correct. Capital A, small a. Okay, so practice at your home in the notebook and practice book. Okay, now I'll show you in the practice notebook. Okay, how to write letter A. See, here capital A already I have written and small a I have written. First we will do capital letter A. Okay, here I have given some dots. You ask your parent to write like this in your book. Then you can start doing your homework. So what you have to do? You have to trace the dots only. Right slanting line, left slanting line and sleeping line. A. Again right slanting line, left slanting line and sleeping line. Letter A. Again trace, join the dots. Capital A. A. Okay, and when you are tracing or writing, you should read. So read and write A. It's a capital A. What is it? Capital A. See, now here I have given only 3 dots. So what you have to do? You have to same thing. You have to join the dots. Capital A. Capital A. And capital A. Okay, see, this is not coming down. This is not touching the down red line. Okay, so you have to write this capital A only from up red line to down black line. It should not come out. Okay, now see, now small letter A. You have to trace the dots. Circle, one curve. Small a. Small a. Okay. Small a. Small a. Small a. Now here 2 dots are there. So in middle only you have to write. Don't write out of the black lines. Only you have to write small letter A in between black lines. Okay, in middle you have to write A. This is a small letter A. So don't write big, only small. In the middle you have to write small letter A. Okay, small letter A. So capital A and small a. Now you can see how to write capital letter A and small letter A within the lines. Now next page. It is a trace. And join the dots. Okay. Now this is a writing part. Okay. Now here I didn't give any dots. Okay. Tell to your parents, Mama, Papa, no need to give any dots. Now I can write by myself only. Okay. See. Right. Up red line to down black line. Right slanting line and up red line again from the same place. Up red line to down black line. One left slanting line, then middle sleeping line. Capital A, like this you have to write. You should not write out of the line. Capital A, capital A, capital A. Because now it's time to write within the line. Okay, if you will write out of the line or here and there, if you will write, teacher immediately she will cut the marks. She will put B cross. So you want cross? No, you all are good children. So you have to write like this. Now small letter A. In middle, see, I have given here two black lines are there. In middle I have written small letter A. That's why I have written small. Okay. Now you have to write also small. Circle, one curve. Circle, one curve. Small A. Small A. Small A. Okay. Small A. Small A. Small A. Small A. And small A. Okay. Now again it's time to write capital A. Capital A. Okay. Same you have to write. Don't write here and there. Okay. And you have to try to write without dots, because every time teacher will not give any dots to you. Okay, without dots you have to write, because you are big kids now. Okay, you are in PP1. So PP1 kids, they don't write with dots, they write without dots. Now small letter A, circle and one curve. Okay, small letter A. Which letter it is? Small A. Okay, in middle you have to write. Don't write out of the black lines. Okay, it should not come out. See, you have to write like this. Okay, now this is your homework. 2 pages. You are having 2 pages homework. Trace and join the dots. Now without dots you have to write only capital A and small a. Okay, in practice book you are having 2 pages homework. Now it's time to... So kids, now we will do our activity. This is a thumb printing activity and related to letter A. See, here I have my color box. Now what I have to do? I'll take my thumb finger and I'll dip into the color box. I like yellow color and I'll put my finger into yellow color box. See, this is the... Now how we will write letter A? First, this is a right slanting line. So first we'll put the thumb print on right slanting line, then left slanting line, then sleeping line. So let's start with right slanting line. Okay, now I am putting my fingerprint. Okay, from up to down, up to down. Okay, see. So right slanting line completed. Now let's start again from up, where we have to put our thumbprint on left slanting line. Okay, and read it loudly. A. Okay, now sleeping line. So this is our letter A thumb printing. Letter A thumb printing. Now it's time to do small letter A. Small letter A. Okay. Now we will do small letter A. So I'll put my thumb finger on green color into green color box. Okay. Now let's start. First we'll do like this. Again I'll take the color. Okay. Now okay. So this is a small a, capital A thumb printing completed and small letter A thumb printing completed. So now A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane and A for arrow. So this is our activity today. So if you want, you can try it at your home with the help of your parents. Okay. So kids, today your homework is in practice notebook. 2 pages. First you have to trace and join the dots. Okay, you ask your parent to put the dots, then you can trace the dots and join the dots. Then without dot you have to write capital A and small a. Okay, so this is your homework today and we have done this beautiful activity. So is it looking nice? So this is looking nice. So this is a capital A and small letter A thumb printing activity. A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane and A for arrow. Okay. So if you want, you can try it at your home. Okay. So today we have learned letter A in practice notebook, how to write letter A in practice notebook. Okay, and one more thing we learned. What? Yes, that new rhyme, hello rhymes. Shall we sing one more time? Yes, let's start. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I am fine. I am great. I am fine. I am great. I am very well today. Okay, so try to sing at your home this hello rhyme also. Okay, and today we are ending our class and do your homework also. Bye. Have a good day.